Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This channel, as I told you earlier, this channel was created during the course of the action of MBA, and as well as I have told you that means the like a business application analysis of finance HRM. These are not only the subject, these are the management strategies which human is being used throughout his or her life. Now today we are going to see the presentations on the questionnaire. It is a part of the business analysis or the business research. Now what is mean by the business research and why it is important? So business research is the field of the practical study in which aims to find the truth for the business phenomena and tackles real life business problems through the gathering data and applying different scientific methods. The business research methods cause focuses on the analyzing, solving the issue in the systematic way. Yes, in this module, systematic softwares or systematic surveys like questionnaire, debates, such kind of things are carried out to know what are the requirements of the business, how we can get rid of the problems. This will be analyzed throughout the business research modules. The next one is what are the business methods, business research methods are needed. The business the business research methods are needed. The business research is a process of acquiring details information of all the areas of the business and using such informations in the maximizing the sales and the profit of the business. Such study helps the companies determine which product or service is most profitable or in the demand. Yes, of course, when we are doing such kind of research, at that time the companies or the businesses will come to know which product will be more profitable in the market, or what we have to do to acquire more and more profit from any business or any services. So this business research will give more boost, or you can say this is the main backbone of any services or any businesses before starting or before introducing any project or any service in the market. The next one is the business research types and the methodologies. The business research is the part of the business intelligence process. It is usually conducted to determine whether the company can succeed in the new regions, or to understand their competitor, or to simplify select a market approach for a product. This research can be carried out using a quantitative research method or qualitative research method. The- or qualitative research method. What is meant by the quantitative research method and the qualitative research method? The quantitative research methods are a research method that deal with the numbers. It is the systematic empirical investigation using a systematical mathematical or the computational technique, such as such method usually start with the data collection and then proceed to the statistical analysis using a various method. The following are some of the research method used to carry out business researches. Survey research. Yes, the survey research is the research which is made by the survey. It can be a physical survey, it can be a online survey, or it can be a question. It can be a survey done by the multiple people, and the data gather together to know about the people, to about the market strategies, about the survey can be made to know the feedback about the newly launched product also. Then next is the correlational researches. The correlation researches is conducted to understand the relations between the two entities and what impact each one of them has on the other. Yes, the correlational research are made to know to know the feedbacks, or to know the profitability, or to understand the relations between the two or more entities and how are they are connected with each other. This research is called as a correlational researches. Then the casual competitive researches. The casual competitive researches is method based on the comparisons. It used to used to deduce the cause effect or the relationship between the variables, sometimes also known as a quasi experimental research. Yes, this kind of research methodology is used to determine the competitions between the two product or two or more services, and this will give a better idea about the features of the services or the features of the product. The next one is the experimental research. The experimental research is based on the trying to prove a theory. Such research may be useful in the business research, as it can let the product company know some behavior traits of the consumer. Yes, experimental researches are based on the experiment made in the nowadays market or the social media, to know whether it can be work or not. uh, this this is quite difficult, we can say, or the quite time consuming as well as money consuming factor method, because we are not aware before starting that experimental research. We or any businesses are not aware about the market behavior as well as the feature about. But by this experience they will come to know what kind of strategies we or they should utilize to understand, to implement the product and into the markets. The next one is online research or literature research. The literature research is one of the oldest method available. Yes, it is very economical, and a lot of informations can be gathered using such researches. Online research or the literature research involves the gathering informations from the existing documents and the studies. Yes, as I said, these online researches or the literature research, it's nothing but the research on the available data, as or we can say the available secondary data which was generated or which was gathered by the other people, but we can utilize that data to research. Next one is a interview. Yes, interview is another process to understand, or it is the another type of the research. By having an interview we will come to know the behavior or the potentials of the people, or the by having an interview we will come to know what kind of benefits or what kind of drawbacks are associated with the product, or with the team, or we can say with the services. And this interview process will give us a better idea about that product, services, as well as the new things which were launched by the company. The next one is a focus group. Focus groups are a set of individuals selected or specially to understand their opinions and behavior. It is usually a small set of group that is selected keeping in mind the parameters for their target market audience, to discuss the particular product or services, such as method enables researchers within a large sample than the interview or the case study, while taking advantages of the conversations or the communication. Yes, focus group is the type of the research in which so many people are gathered together, or the research such researches are made on the group of peoples, by which we will come to know the behavior of the people or the behavior of the audience, to know, to understand the services, the services, the ethnographic research. The ethnographic research is the one of the most challenging research, but can give the extremely precious result. Such research is useful quite rarely, as it time consuming and can be expensive as well. It involves the researchers to adapt to the natural environment and the observes its target audience to collect data. Such as a method is generally used to understand culture challenges or other things that can be occurs in the particular settings. Case study research is the kind of study, it is somehow similar to the survey, but the case study is the research which gives us idea, or which gives us a particular event or particular incident happened, or particular scenario was created, or particular scenario which was happened during the years. We have during the years or during the business process, this scenario can be used to make some researches, by which we will get some outputs, or we will learn how that scenario was handled by some people, or how that scenario was helpful to promote their product, or how that scenario was helpful to introduce their new products. This all the informations will be gathered through the case study researches. Website visitors profiling researches, the website intercept the surveys, or the website visitor or the profile research is something new that has come up and is quite helpful in the business sector. It is involving the approach to collect the direct feedback from your website visitor using a service. Yes, it is a similar, it is somehow similar to the physical surveys. What's physical surveys? Only the difference is the physical surveys are made on the physical stage, while the website visitor profiling researches are made on virtual uh, virtual virtual stages. The disadvantages and the advantages of the business research. The business research can be a high cost affair. Yes, it is. Most of the time, business research is based on the assumptions. The business research can be time consuming. Business research can sometimes give you the inaccurate information because of a vast populations or a small focus group. The business research result can quickly become a absolute because of the fast changing markets. Yes, these are the drawbacks of the business research. Now the importance of the business research. The business research is the one of the most effective ways to understand the customer, the market, competitors. Such research helps the companies to understand the demand and supply of the market. Yes, business research is used to understand the needs of the markets. Now the our now another research type is a questionnaire. Questionnaire is a list of the question. Business research is made to understand the need of the product, how the market behaves, or the behavior of the target audience. But the methods or the strategies used in the business method are also are also made some their questions. These questions are called as a questionnaire. It is a list of the questions or the items used to gather the data from the respondent about their the attitude, experience, or the opinions. Questionnaire can be used to collect a quantitative or the qualitative information. The questionnaire are commonly used in a market research as well as in the social and the health science. For the example, company may ask for the feedback about the recent customer service experience, or the psychological researchers may investigate the health risk perceptions using a questionnaires. Yes, the questionnaire it is somehow similar to surveys, but survey are made silently, or survey can be made silently, but questionnaire can't. Questionnaire can be done on web portal, as well as a physical questionnaire can be utilized during the physical surveys. A survey is a research method where you collect and analyze data from the group of people. A questionnaire is a specific tools or the instrument for collecting data. The designing a questionnaire means creating a valid and the reliable questionnaire that address your research objective, placing them in useful order, and selecting and appreciate method of the administration. Yes, this questionnaire method is used to understand, or it is a specific tool by which company or the business researchers will get a better idea. This tool may contain number of questions, number of similar questions asked to the different peoples. The questionnaire method, the questionnaire can be self administered or researcher administered. The self administered questions are more common because they are easy to implement and inexpensive, but the researcher administrative questions allow deeper insight. The self administration administered questions can be delivered online or in the paper, pen, formula, in the person through mail. All questions are standard so that all the respondent receive the same question with the identical wording. The self administration questionnaires can be cost effective, easy to administered for a small and large group, anyone, anonymous, and suitable for sensitive topics. Self place, while researcher administered questionnaires are the researcher administered questionnaires are interview that takes place by phone, in personal or online between the researchers and the respondent. The researchers administered questions can be help you to ensure the respondent and the representative of our target audience. Open-end and close-end questions. The questionnaire can be include open-end and close-end questions, or a combination of the both. Using a close-end questions limits responses, while the open-end questionnaire enable a broad range of the answer. We need to understand to balance these combinations, or the balance this consideration with available time and resources. The next one is the pros and the cons of the close-ended questions. Why well-designed close-end questions are easy to understand, can be answered quickly. However, you might still miss important answers that are relevant to the respondent and the incomplete set of the response. Item may focus some respondent to pick the closest alternative to their true answer. These types of the question may also miss out on the valuable details. To solve this problem, you can make a question partially close ended and include an open ended opinion where respondent can fill their own answer. Yes, these are the questionnaire type of questionnaire. Open-ended questions are long form. The questions allow the respondent to give answer in their own words, while close-ended questions are not allowing people to answer in their own words. Because there are no restriction on these choices, respondent can answer in the way that the researchers may not have otherwise considered. For the example, respondent may want to answer the multi racial for the questions on the race, rather than the selecting from the restricted list. Question wording, the question wording is the another main important parts, because the question wording can influence responded answer, especially if the language is unclear, ambiguous, or biased. good question not be understood by all the respondent in the same way, and the measure exactly what they are interested in. Use in the question wording, we must use a clear language. We must balance the framing framing. We must use a specific grammar or correct grammar. These are the main things which we have to consider while preparing a questionnaire. Yes, of course, questionnaire is giving an idea about the business research, because and it is a questionnaire, we can say it is a tool which is being used by the researchers to make a business researches. So the questionnaire will give you a better idea. That's it for the today's sessions. And if anything is remaining, please write me into the comment. Thank you.